Hey guys, what's up? I got another unboxing here really quick. I believe this one will be the Leatherman tool, but I could be wrong. My Boker AK-74, which I also carried up on the Stuco camping trip, which I talked about in the unboxing of the Fisher Space Pen 2 minutes ago for me, but maybe a couple days ago for you. So I'll just do this real quick. Watch it not be the Leatherman, except it is. Never mind. And it is exactly this size. It's in a clamshell for some reason. So there's that. So return label. That's nice. So there is the Leatherman style PS, and I will cut it open real quick. This one, I knew how small it was going to be. It does feel a little small for a pair of pliers, but I mean, this is going to be a school EDC, so this size probably isn't a bad thing. And you know, pliers are a good capability to have, even if they're small pliers. Let's see here, my little carabiner to clip it on my pocket. I have a lot of tools that I can't deploy right now. Nail file / screwdriver. See if I can get the other stuff out. Got a pair of scissors, spring return scissors, and finally I believe I have tweezers if I can somehow get them out of the tool. Oh, I could be wrong. There we go. There's just like your little Swiss Army knife tweezers. So I'm pretty happy with this thing overall. I do wish it was 10 to 20% bigger just so it could fit in your hand a little better, but you know, small is not bad for something that's going to be used in this purpose or philosophy of use. So there's my first impressions.